Hi, this is Joachim for statisticsglobe.com, and in this video I will show you how to count the number of rows by group using the dplyr package in R. So in this video I'm going to show you an example, and this example is based on the data frame that we can create with lines 2 to 7 of the code. So if you run these lines of code, you will see that at the top right of RStudio a new data frame object appears. And we can also have a look at this data frame by clicking on the data object, and then you can see that our data consists of 10 rows and 3 columns, whereby the first 2 columns are consisting of a range of numeric and character values, and the third column is our grouping column, and this column contains the labels of our groups. Now, if we want to use the dplyr package to count the number of rows by group, then we also need to install and load the dplyr package, as you can see in lines 9 and 10 of the code. I have installed the package already, so I'm just going to load it with line 10 of the code. And after running this line of code, we are able to use the functions of the dplyr package. Now, if we want to count the number of rows by group, we can use the code that you can see in lines 12 to 14. So in these lines of code, I'm first specifying the name of our data frame. So in this case, our data frame is called data. Then we are specifying the pipe operator. Then we are using the group by function of the dplyr package. And within this function, we are specifying the column name of our grouping column. So in this case, our grouping column is called group. Then again, we are using the pipe operator. And then we are using a combination of the summarize and the end functions to count the cases within each group. So if you run lines 12 to 14 together, you will see that at the bottom in the RStudio console, some output is created. And as you can see, this output is a tibble, which is showing our grouping labels A, B, C, and D. And it is showing the number of cases within each group. So the first group with the label A has 3 cases, the second group with the label B has 4 cases, the group C has 2 cases, and the group D has only 1 case. So in this video I have shown you how to use the functions of the dplyr package to count the number of rows by group in a data frame using the R programming language. However, in case you want to learn more on this topic, you could check out my homepage, statisticsglobe.com, because on the homepage I have recently published a tutorial in which I'm explaining the content of this video in some more detail. Furthermore, in case you have liked this video, I would be very happy if you leave me some positive feedback in the comments, and make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel to get notifications in future when I'm releasing new videos to the channel. That's it for this video. Thanks a lot. See you next time.